Cleaning gold coins can destroy value fast, even if they look better. Let's break it down. Most coin damage starts with a myth that shinier automatically means more valuable. In reality, gold absolutely can scratch, and many safe cleaners or polishes leave tiny marks you only see under light. Those hairline scratches matter because they signal mishandling, not freshness. And polishing doesn't just remove dirt, it can remove surface detail and original luster. If you clean first and then try to sell, you often lock in a lower grade and price. To clean safely, you need to understand what you're actually protecting. Mint, luster. That glow comes from microscopic flow lines on the surface, and wiping or rubbing cuts directional hairlines right across them. Gold is chemically stable, so most ugly-looking spots are from contamination, not the metal going bad. Finger oils can smear and attract grime, and PVC plastic can leave green, sticky damage. Even lightly cleaned coins usually sell at a discount because the surface no longer looks original. Whether you should touch a coin at all depends on what type it is and how it's valued. Basic bullion coins often trade on small premiums, roughly 3–8%, so a cleaning mistake can erase your edge, while bars usually have even tighter 1–3% premiums. If a coin is graded and sealed, don't open it, because the market trusts the holder, not your handling. For IRA-eligible coins, purity and eligibility rules matter more than shine. If you're uncertain, leave it alone and only consider minimal decontamination, not cleaning. If you must reduce contamination, treat the coin like evidence, not a countertop item. Hold it only by the edge, because fingerprints are damage you can't fully undo. Use a gentle distilled water rinse to remove loose debris, and skip anything abrasive, including cloths, brushes, baking soda, or magic erasers. Avoid chemical cleaners because residues can stain, and a wrong reaction can permanently change the surface. Let it air dry and never wipe, because wiping creates the hairlines buyers and graders spot first. Assume cleaning hurts value unless proven otherwise. A safer plan is to stop trying to improve shine and focus on controlling risk. Quarantine the coin, handle only the edges, and move it into inert holders, not soft plastics that can leach chemicals. Document condition with clear photos of both sides before you do anything, because that protects you in a resale or authenticity dispute. Verify it's not plated, since plated pieces can react differently, and a test prevents costly mistakes. If the coin is rare, high grade, or has stubborn residue, escalate to professional conservation instead of home methods. One wipe with a cloth can create hairlines that permanently knock a coin into cleaned status. If you're deciding between bullion, bars, or graded coins, and want to see how premiums and real resale costs compare, the Smart Investor Gold Investing Agent matches you by your goals and shows the dollar differences in about 3 minutes. Free. Links in the description.